Imagine standing at the edge of a quiet village, surrounded by towering mountains. The air is crisp, carrying the faint scent of pine and earth. In the heart of this village, nestled between ancient trees, lives a Zen master, a man whose wisdom has transformed the lives of countless seekers. One day, a restless young traveler named Hiroshi arrives, desperate for answers. He has spent years chasing success, accumulating wealth, and earning prestige, yet he feels empty. Something is missing. He seeks the wisdom of Master Akira, hoping to find the secret to lasting happiness. As Hiroshi walks through the temple doors, he is met with a profound stillness. No grand decorations, no luxurious furnishings, just a humble wooden table, a single candle flickering in the corner, and Master Akira, sitting in peaceful meditation. After a long moment of silence, the old master opens his eyes. Hiroshi bows deeply and speaks. Master Akira, I have traveled far to learn from you. I have everything I ever wanted, money, success, recognition, but I feel lost. I feel like something is missing. How do I find inner peace? Master Akira smiles gently, nodding as if he has heard this question 1,000 times before. Ah, young traveler, you have spent your life chasing the future, and yet you have never truly lived in the present. Hiroshi furrows his brow. What does that even mean? Seeing his confusion, Master Akira reaches for a teapot and begins pouring tea into a small cup. But he doesn't stop. The tea overflows. It spills onto the table, then onto the floor. Hiroshi instinctively jumps up. Master, the cup is full. Akira nods. Yes, just like your mind. How can I teach you about inner peace when your mind is already full of expectations, distractions, worries? Before you can receive wisdom, you must first make space for it. Master Akira hands Hiroshi a cup of tea and says, Now, take a sip, but don't drink it mindlessly. Feel the warmth of the cup. Smell the aroma. Taste the tea as if it were the first and last sip you'll ever have. Hiroshi does as he's told, and for the first time, he realizes he's never truly paid attention to something so simple. How many meals has he eaten while scrolling on his phone? How many conversations has he had without really listening? How many moments has he wasted thinking about the past or worrying about the future? To be present, Master Akira says, is to fully experience this moment. It is the only moment that truly exists. But knowing something and living it are two very different things. To test Hiroshi's understanding, Master Akira creates a series of real-world challenges. An insult from a fellow student. How will Hiroshi react? A sudden loud noise that interrupts his meditation. Can he stay focused? A frustrating delay when he's eager to learn. Will he remain patient? At first, Hiroshi fails every test. His emotions control him. He reacts with frustration, anger, and impatience. But then, he remembers the lesson. The world does not disturb me. My mind does. Each time he is tested, he reminds himself, pause, observe, breathe, let go.